Hello mga kadipat, this is Don Patrick D. Paragular and you are watching Dipat TV. Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng mga magulang ang kailangan para sa mga batang manonood. Broadcasting to you live from Barangay Anonas in the city of Ordaneta in Pangasinan, inside DPAT's laboratory. Don Patrick D. Paragular proudly brings to you the second half of Tamiya Mini 4-Wheel Drive Racing Action this September 2023, right here, live on DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. Actually, Cosmo Atomica is the top seeded among the overall lead with 10 points total on aggregates. Venom with 8, Setsuna with 7, Neon Sara, McLaurin, and Stargate with 3 points apiece total. MP with 2, also Magmar with 2, Dark Sun and Mirik 1 point apiece. So sina Polaris at for Team Home and Metalder for Team Road na lang ang bukod tanging mga kotse natin na hindi pa nakakapuntos on aggregate. So without further ado, we will now proceed right away with our race day for today's edition of DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference, beginning with our race number 1 of Group A. The first one being McLaurin taking on Magmar in our first matchup of our to start off this edition, this Monday edition of the DPAT's Stock Motor Conference. So, lane 1, starting lane, lane 1, lane 2, lane 1, lane 2, lane 1, lane 2, tayo ngayon, alternate starting. Again, alternate starting lane po tayo all throughout the tournament. Yun yung tournament formats natin from group stage up to championship race. Alternate po yun. So, a total of 20. A total 20 races overall. Well, sa group stage, sa knockout stage, 8 na quarterfinals, 2 semifinals, isang race for third, at isang championship race. Yan, yung pagkakuha ng ating short tournament per day sa Stock Motor Conference. In our race number 1 overall, for today's edition, it's going to be Magmar versus McLaurin in our Group A race number 1 matchup, wherein McLaurin starts at lane 1, Magmar at lane 2. Alright mga ka-DPAT, welcome once again to DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference, and we will proceed right away with our group stage today with our race number 1 of Group A. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Mabilis din si McLaurin Pasto. Final lap. KO. Winner. McLaurin, winner. Yung nanonood ngayon, shout out sa'yo. Maraming salamat sa iyong pagsubaybay ngayon sa DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. Yan. So, McLaurin starting off this September 18, 2023 edition of the DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference with a victory over Magmar. So, Magmar lost, McLaurin won. Alright, next. Group B. Group B naman, alternate tayo. Alternate naman lagi. So, ang Group B higher seed lane 2. Ang Group A, higher seed, lane 1. Tapos lane 1, lane 2, lane 1, lane 2, lane 1, lane 2. Pag Merkules naman, yung Group B naman ang mauuna, lane 1 naman ang Group B. Lane 2 yung higher seed ng Group A. Okay. Race number 1 of Group B will feature Venom taking on MP in our Group B race number 1. So, battle of puro Super 2, all Super 2 line na po ang ating Group B natin ngayong araw nito. And in this matchup, it's going to be MP starting at lane 1 and Venom starting at lane 2. Kasi si Venom mga higher-seeded dito eh. Alright, race number 1 of Group B. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. again. Tabla. 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 Hebla. So first, yung unang natumba si Venom, therefore ano siya? Siya yung sa losers bracket, siya manguna. Draw game. Tabla. Again, dahil on air po tayo, bawal po lahat ng anumang istorbo. Yan. While recording is in progress, so nasa live taping po tayo. So live streaming po yung ating ano natin. So any disturbances will be apprehended. Alright. Race number 2 of Group A will feature Cosmo Atomica taking on Polaris. In our race number 2 of Group A. Race number 3 overall of 12. And in this matchup, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 1, Polaris at lane 2. Alright. Race number 2 of Group A. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Polaris ahead. Hindi na naman yung camera, ang lakas ahead. Grabe naman yan. Gusto po. Last lane danger, Polaris. Ayun, na-impact. Sabi ko naman ako eh, final lap. Lakas. Grabe. Grabe. Partida, hininaan ko na yung baterya. Cosmo Atomica winner pa rin. Maski hininaan na yung baterya kay Polaris at lahat. Weaker battery and all, still lose. Holy smoke. Shout out to Senator Mickey Lucquiao Mamasig. Yan, shout out kanina dahil siya yung nanonood kanina. Eh, siguro due to prior commitment, kailangan muna niyang mag-sign out for now. But nevertheless, thanks for dropping by. Polaris lost, Cosmo won. So, losers bracket, Magmar Polaris yung race 3 ng Group A. Inom muna tayong kape. Sarap. Buti na lang, may baon akong kape rito. Alright. Race number 2 of Group B will feature Setsuna taking on Neon Sarah in our race number 4 overall. And in this matchup, it's going to be Neon Sarah starting at lane 2 and Setsuna starting at lane 1. Ayun. Lane 2 yung Group B. Ang Group A, lane 1 ang hierarchy. Alright. The race number 2 of Group B. Switch on. Nako, malimaw yung dalawa. Good, opo. Ready, set, bye. Nako po. Nako po. Nako po. Good. Draw game. Again. Draw. Yung huling natumba si MP, so therefore diyan siya tatapat. Tapos Venom sets na. Ayun. Yung mga naunang natumba, sila yung unang maglaban sa race number 3 ng group nila. Tabla! Sabi ko na nga ba eh, kaya nga napanako po ang inyong lingkod kasi hininaan na yung baterya at lahat, ang bilis pa rin. Stop motor na nga lang yun, mamaw pa rin. What more pa kaya pag nag-tune na? Nag-tune motor yan. Yari. 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 Sabay ka na. Well, sabi niya, pag sinabing yari. Alright. Race number 3 of Group A will feature Magmar. Yeah, Magmar versus Polaris is the matchup in our race number 3 of their group. And in this matchup, lane 1 for Magmar and lane 2 for Polaris as their respective starting lanes in this race number 3 of Group A. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Alimaw. Naghalimaw yung dalawa. Oh my goodness. That's the danger Polaris. On to the final lap. Let's see. Alright. Wow. What display of speed and stability what speed and stability displayed right there by Polaris rather, making an upset victory against Magmar. Polaris winning it. Holy smoke. Grabe rat-rata ng dalawang non-FMs na yun. Partida, pambahay pa lang yung setup na yun, ha? Hindi pa ako nag-tune motor nung lagay na yan. Stock motor lang po yan, mga kadipat. Gusto po. Grabe. What more pa kaya pag naka-tune na yan? Magmar has yet to win a single race. Yan. Polaris. 1-all. Agawan sa first win kasi yung dalawa. Losers bracket yan. Next. Yung mga naunang natumba. Race number 3 of Group B will feature Neon Sarah taking on Venom in this matchup. And in this matchup, Neon Sarah starts at lane 2, Venom at lane 1. Alright. Race number 3 of Group B. Switch on. Halimaw. Ready, set, bye. Neon Sarah, ahead. Venom. Nakabari. Grabe yung tawin nila. Final lap. Wow, grabe. Grabe yung takbo na yun, mga kadipat. Wow. Magnificent display of speed and stability right there. But in the end, it's going to be Venom emerging victorious over Neon Sarah. Alright. So, palitan na sila niyan. Palitan na sila niyan mamaya. Alright. Venom 1. Neon Sarah lost. Next group. Next battle race 4. Hindi pwede ma-interfere yung ating mga mga races. Again, no interruptions allowed. It has to be uninterrupted racing action right here. Alright. Race number 4 of Group A will feature the two front motor cars, the Battle of Orange Army Cosmo Atomica taking on McLaren one more time in this Group A action, wherein Cosmo Atomica starts at lane 1, McLaren at lane 2. Alright, race number 4 of Group A, switch on. Ready, set, bye. McLaren ahead. Final lane change ng McLaren. Grabe yung bisita ng McLaren. Final lap. KO. Yan. McLaren was just too much. McLaren winner. Grabe. Teka, tapos na pala si Cosmo Magmar last. Ayan na yung mga last. Kasi single round robin lang ang group stage. Na? Alright. Cosmo McLaren. Red yun, no? Cosmo lost, McLaren won. Baka magkamali pa tayo ng lagay. Yan. So far, undefeated si McLaren. Race number 4 of Group B will feature MP taking on Setsuna. So, parehong tabla, parehong 1 point. Sino kaya ang makadaragdag ng 2 points sa kanilang match-up sa ating race number 4 ng kanilang grupo? And in this match-up, it's going to be MP starting at lane 2, Setsuna at lane 1. Alright, race number 4 of Group B. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Battle of Braga PBR yan. Yung dalawa yan. Okay. Last lane din na yan eh. Final lap. Tingnan natin. 2, 3, drawing. Sayang. Sayang, sideshow pa. Ang daya. Tapos na yan eh. Ito yan. Yari. Nayari pa, tabla tuloy. Tapos na sana kay MP yun eh. Tabla pa. 2 points. 2 points. Next. Inom ulit kape. Last 4. Sa init ng aksyon, sa Dipats Tamiya League, pinag-iapawisan ninyo yung lingkod. Diyos ko po. Wow! Alright. Race number 5, or the penultimate race of Group A featuring McLaren versus Polaris. So yung mga nagsipanalo sa kanilang mga kanilang mga assignment. Oo, tama ba? Si Magmar, ano ba yun? Ah, hindi. Losers bracket pala muna. Sorry. Hindi pala yan. Hindi pala. Mauna muna yung losers bracket. Yung mga natalo, sila nang mauna. Tapos yung mga nanalo, sila yung sunod. Sila yung huli. Ayun. Okay. Penultimate race of Group A featuring Magmar versus Cosmo Atomica. One of them will get another win. Will it be another win for Cosmo Atomica? Or first win finally for Magmar? And in this matchup of Orange Army Cars, again, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica one more time starting at lane 1, and Magmar will start at lane 2. Alright, the penultimate race of Group A, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Buti na lang, dito ako pumunto para magaling ko masalo. Last 2. Final lap. Okay. Ay, hindi pala. Tapos na pala. Cosmo Atomica winner. So Cosmo Atomica closing out its group stage campaign with a victory over Magmar. So Magmar will finish winless. Winless 0-3 record of their group. Therefore, A4 siya. Automatic, A4 na si Magmar. Cosmo won. Alright. So yung final point kay Cosmo, mamaya aalamin na lang natin yan later. Kung ilan yung mga points nila. Next. Penultimate race of Group B rather will feature the Dark Warriors, Venom and Setsuna battling it out in our race number 5 of Group B. And in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2, Setsuna again starting at lane 1. Alright. The 5th and penultimate race of Group B. Switch on. Mamawan to. Ready, set, bye. Venom ahead. Setsuna, bumawi. Yan ang dalawa. Last two. Grabe, deadly pace to. Final lap, let's see. Okay, winner. What a close encounter between those Dark Warriors that we have seen here. Dipat sa Milig Stock Motor Conference. What a close encounter mga kadipat. Split second lang po yung pagitan nilang dalawa. Diyos ko po, walang imbangan. Yun, yung the best na karera, yung walang imbangan. Pero maganda yung speed. Maganda yung atake ng kanilang speed at stability. But in the end, it's going to be Setsuna barely nosing out Venom on that nail-biting finish. Wow! What a breathtaking finish right there. Wow. What a race we have seen right there. Definitely a sign of finer things to come for sure. It's now finally winning it. Against Venom. Oh, close encounter. Grabe. Wow. Split second. Pagitan lang po, ganito lang oh. Ganito lang po yung gap nila. Ito si Setsuna, ito si Venom. Yung nasa kaliwang kamay ko, si Venom, ay si Setsuna, tapos si Venom ito sa kanan. Ganito lang po yung pagitan nila oh. Diyos ko po, pineapple bayan. Grabe yun. Wow! Amazing! One of the best so far. Kung marireplay yan sa Facebook at sa YouTube, naka. Baka pwede mong ulit-ulitin yan, lalo na pag nag-YouTube Shorts, no? Alright, final chapter of Group A featuring Magmar taking on hindi pala. Tapos na pala itong dalawa. Si McLaren at Polaris na pala. Ayun, yung mga winners na pala. Winners bracket na pala yung final. Ayun. McLaren versus Polaris pala ang ating huling karera sa Group A. And in this match, it's going to be McLaren starting at lane 1. Again, Polaris starting one more time at lane 2. Alright, the sixth and final race of Group A, switch on. Nako, kalimaw to. Ready, set, bye. Can Polaris hold on to the lead against a veteran like McLaren? On the final rating dito, ayun, magalabumbang gorombang gangge, deng 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 deng. Announcer, jinx. Na-jinx po ng inyong lingkod. My bad. Nabanggit na swerte, bigla tuloy minalas. Narag. McLaren emerging victorious. Ayun, sinuwerte. What a lucky victory for McLaren. Just when we thought Polaris was about to take that away out of the fire, but unfortunately, backfired. Unfortunately, it backfired. Wow, grabe yun. Grabe yun mga kadipat. Partida, stock motor lang po yan ha. Polaris finishing third, I guess. Then McLaren undefeated. So, kasado na ang Group A. Alam na ko sino yung A1, A2, A3, A4. Oh, it's going to be McLaren, A1, Cosmo, lane 2, A2 rather, si Cosmo Atomica, tapos Polaris, A3, Magmar, A4. Oh, sakto. Wala nang kailangan pagtalunan. No argument there. Finally, our last race of group stage featuring Neon Sara and MP battling it out in our 6th and final race of their group. And in this matchup, it's going to be Neon Sara starting at lane 2, MP at lane 1. The 6th and final race of Group B and overall the last race of group stage today. Switch on. Alimaw. Ready, set, back. What yung muli mo? Patay! Tumba ka na galumpang burumpang gangge dadadeng deng 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 ay nalat. Hey, oh! Leader. Malas, umembang ka. Two fast forwards on good. Neon Sara closing out the group stage with a victory over MP. Yun. Nakapanalo rin. Nakapanalo rin si Neon Sara. Tapos MP talo. So ano na ngayon yung standing? Neon Sara Venom. Sinong nanalo doon? Si Venom. Di ba? O, si Neon Sara at saka si Setsuna, tabla sila. Si Neon Sara at si MP panalo siya. O tama, Venom ang, Venom ang top seed dyan. Parehong 1 win, 1 loss, 1 draw. Sina Neon Sara at Venom. Pero due to the win over the other rule, Venom gaining the upper hand. Venom will gain the upper hand right there. Alright. 6 points, McLaurin. 4 points, Cosmo Atomica. Magmar 0. Polaris 2. Therefore, kasado na yung Group A. Kung sinong A1, A2, A3, A4 respectively, that's going to be McLaurin as the top seeded car for Group A or Team Home. Next, A2 will be Cosmo Atomica, FMA, second seeded car of Group A. Next, Polaris A3 with 1 and 2. Talagang evenly distributed. Super 2. Then, Magmar A4 with a winless record of 0-3. On the other hand, we have Group B, top seeded car will be what's this? 3 points, 2 points, 4 points. Meron palang 2 and 3 pala yun, si Neon Sara at si Venom. Si Setsuna pala ang top seed kasi 1 win, 2 draws. That is a total of 4 points pala. Ayun. Tapos 3 points sina Venom at Neon Sara. Pero dahil sa winner over the other role, si Venom ang B2. Yan. Okay. Second seed si Venom. Setsuna, B1. Top seed. With a close encounter winning by an inch or winning by a hair. A hairline. Setsuna winning over Venom by a hairline. Gabuhok. Diyos ko po, gabuhok lang na lamang. Grabe. Grabe mga kadipat. Ganun lang talaga boses ko, maano lang talaga, mataas lang. Pero it doesn't really mean galit. Ibang klase. Tapos si MP Kulela, 2 draws, 2 points lang. 2 draws, 1 loss. MP B4. Ayon! Super 2. There you go. Alright! So at the end of our group stage in rank classification phase in our group stage, it's going to be like this. So we'll start off with Group A. Here is the standing for Group A. It's going to be McLaurin leading the pack with 6 points total with an undefeated 3-0. 2 and 1 for Cosmo Atomica, making it the second seeded car in Group A. Third seeded car will be Polaris with 1 and 2 and a winless 0-3 record for Magmar being A4. So yan po yung natin, yung record natin. Ayan. Yan ang Group A. On the other end, ito naman po yung Group B. Ang nangyari, si Setson ang nanguna with 1 win and 2 draws, making it a total of 4 points. Yan, being B1. So siya yung lalaban kay Magmar mamaya. So labanan pala ng mga kaskaserong chuper na may humaharurot na taxi mamaya. Yung isa sa ating mga quarter final matchup. So, ano ba to? Nauna yung last time pag ganun. Pa-counterclockwise tayo this second half. Clockwise tayo last time eh. Pag ganun yung pag ganun yung matchup na, pag ganito po yung matchup natin, ito yung 1, quarters 2, quarters 3, quarters 4. So ganito po yung natin pag ganito. Kasi last time ito, pa-clockwise na ganun. This time, tapos dito tayo mag-umpisa pero pababa, baliktad. Ganun naman. Now, alright. Pa-counterclockwise naman po tayo this time hanggang matapos yung stock motor conference this month. Alright. So, yan po yung mga matchups po natin. Ang A1, B4 natin will be McLaren versus MPay. A2 versus B3 respectively. Cosmo Atomica versus Neon Sarah. Polaris versus Venom as A3 versus B2 respectively. And respectively A4 versus B1 Magmar versus Setsuna. So, arrange na po natin yung knockout stage natin. We'll just reset in a few moments. We'll start right away with our KO stage. So, B1, A4. Second quarters 2 yun. Quarters 1, A1, B4. A1, McLaren. A1, B4, MPay. So, Orange Army Battle pala ang unang quarterfinals natin. Ang quarters 2 naman natin, B1 versus A4. Yan. Yung mga kaskaserong chopper na mga humaharurot na taxi. Ang quarters 3 naman natin, A3 versus B2. It's going to be Polaris versus Neon, Venom. A3, B2. B2, A3. Tapos, A2, B3. Cosmo, Neon, Sarah. Yung final 3 match na pala ang mangyayari sa quarters 4 natin, no? Wow, what a coincidence. Sina Cosmo Atomica at si Neon Sarah na siyang naglaban nung pinakahuli nating championship race nung September 13. Finalist sila nung September 13. Ngayon, sa quarter finalist sila na mismo yung magkalaban agad. Wow, grabe to. Grabe ito mga kadipat. What a coincidence. Kasi po crossover quarterfinals at semifinals po kasi tayo. Yung mga 1 and 4, ang ranking ng kanilang group, sila yung magka-bracket. And then yung 2 and 3 ng kanilang group, yun yung magka-bracket sa semis. Alright. So we'll now proceed right away with our KO stage at the Philippine Standard Time of 5:55. 5:55 PM. Nagsimula tayo 5:16. So, medyo matatapos tayo ng mga 6:30 malamang. Before 6:30, tapos na to siguro. So far kasi wala pang re-race. Kung meron man, wala talagang re-race sa group stage. Dito pa lang sa knockout stage, posibleng magka-re-race. So, for now, mga kadipat, we'll start right away with our KO stage featuring the first quarterfinals matchup, A1 versus B4, McLaren versus MPay in our first quarterfinals matchup. Yeah, for tonight's knockout stage here on DPAT's Tommy Ali Stock Motor Conference. Once again, good late afternoon. So, pwede na natin sabihin good evening sa lahat po ng nanonood. And again, shout out to Secretary Nicky Lukyao Mamasig, nasuki ng aking mga video lab. Thank you so much for dropping by once again. This is yours truly, Don Patrick D. Paragular, the host, host/racer/producer/director all-in-one package. Alright. A1 versus B4 matchup in our quarterfinals number 1 featuring McLaren and MPay respectively. And in this matchup, it's going to be McLaren starting at lane 1 and MPay starting at lane 2. 1-2-1-2 alternate starting lane po tayo para sa mga higher seeded cars. Alright. So, tune up. Pwede na po hipan-hipan kasi knockout na eh. All or nothing na. Alright mga ka-DPAT, once again, this is our knockout stage for today's edition of DPAT's Tamilig Stock Motor Conference, and we will start the KO stage right away with our first quarterfinals matchup. Switch on! Alright. Ready, set, bye! Good. Oy. Final lap, let's see if Epic can hold on to the lead. Oh, re-race power. Nakologi. Re-race power. Akala ko absent victory na para kay MPay pero biglang nasigawan ng follow me, oy, sama hinat ko siya. Re-race power. Nasigawan ng follow me si MPay. Ayun, nag-wrong way. Biglang wrong way tuloy. Nasigawan ng tulumi eh. Natulumi. Kakamiss yung tulumi sa GMA ha, yung walang matigas na pulis. Nakakamiss, totoo lang. Nag-season finale na kasi noong August 20. Birthday pa ni Fernando Po Jr. mismo, August 20. Grabe. So, 30 second adjustment. Pag sa simula, 15 seconds. Pero pag sa re-race last month, ano na, 30 seconds. Extended ng 15. Alright, first of 2 restarts in our quarterfinals. 1. Ready, set, bye. Yanit. Makoren, nakahabol, nakabawi. Sinusubukan umabol ni MK. Nako! Medyo nasabit pa, final lap. Nako po. Aray, nantahan pa. Oo. Minalas. Mas mabagal na nga, minalas pa. Aray, pupo. May Rivera moment mga kadipat. So unfortunately for MP, this will close out its campaign today, this Monday. So next Monday na lang ulit natin siya makikita, maybe for the last time. So for the last time this month. So unfortunate lang kay MP na nasibak agad ng maaga. And McLaren will move on to the semifinals round, awaiting the winner of our next quarterfinals matchup between Setsuna and Magmar. Alright. Nadali. Sayang. Na Claire de la Puente. Si MP. Bigla tuloy na pa Claire de la Puente. Na Claire de la Puente na nga, na may Rivera pa. Kasi yung mga kanta nila, sayang, di ba? Sayang, yun yung sikat na awitin ng namayapang alamat sa OPM na si Claire de la Puente. At yung kaya ko naman sinabing May Rivera kasi yung kanta niyang Aray, di ba? Yung Aray, ano yun? Tagalog nung Hurt. Yung Hurt nung mga lumang panahon na po yun, mga ilang dekada na nakaraan, tinagalog lang yun. Alright. Trivia lang po yung mga dipat ha. As far as I know lang. Alright. Quarterfinals number 2 will feature Magmar and Setsuna. So A4 versus B1 ang ating quarterfinals number 2 po natin ngayong gabi. And this battle of reckless taxi with reckless driver with speedy taxi. Reckless drivers of speedy taxi. Taxi cars ang maglaban sa ating quarters 2. And in this matchup, Setsuna starts at lane 2. This time kasi higher seeded po siya. Taxi siya ng group B. Therefore, lane 2 ang starting lane ni Setsuna. Lane 1 naman ang starting lane ni Magmar. Alright, quarterfinals number 2. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Woo! Talsik! Re-race. Re-race pa more. Dalawa na yan. Dalawang re-race na yan. Pangalawa. Hahaba na naman yung video lang natin ngayong gabi dahil sa dami ng mga re-race at last month. Malamang mag last month pa to kung mag-persist pa to. Buti na lang, medyo pawis na ako. Kaya madali na sa akin ang magano. Pawisin po inyong lingkod eh. Kaya okay lang may basahan na t-shirt. Alright, first of 2 restarts in our quarters 2. Ready, set, bye. man standing. Last man standing. Sabi ko na nga ba, last man ito eh. Sabi ko na nga ba, last man standing po ito mga kadipat eh. Sabi na sa inyo eh. Sabi ko sa inyo eh. Ay, ako. Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Biglang nagmamausi si Etsu na eh. Alright, final restart. Final restart of QF2. Ready, set, bye. Okay, winner. Aray, tubsog. One down for Team Road, one down for Team Home. And Magmar will be eliminated after that last man standing race won by Setsuna. And Setsuna will rekindle its rivalry against McLaren in our semifinals number 1 later on. Wow! Grabe, upset yung dalawang Orange Army si Bak. So it's up to McLaren and Cosmo Atomica to defend their army. Silang dalawa na lang yung pag-asa ng Orange Army. Si Bak. Actually, 5 yan. Si MP yung isa. Nabilang lang sa team labas. Alright. Quarterfinals number 3 will feature Polaris A3, third seeded car from Group A against the second seeded car of Group B, Venom, in our quarterfinals number 3. And in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 1 and Polaris starting at lane 2. So labanan to ng mga Super 2 cars, isang pambahay at isang pang-dayo, panglabas. Panlabas natin, meaning yung pangsali natin sa mga ibang lugar. Yung ibig ko po sabihin. Kaya ko sinabing Team Road, Team Home. Yung Team Home, may damage na po kasi yung mga chassis nila tsaka cowl at the same time. So, parang bye-bye time nila, ayoko nang isali sa mga mga official na bugbugang karera. Na, maliban na lang kung talagang wala na akong mailaro. Alright, it's now time for our quarterfinals number 3. Switch on, Battle of Marble pala ito. Ready, set, bye. Atay! Sabi! Hindi na namin materials lahat eh. Ano ba yun? Last 2. Final lap. Let's see. Stable. Grabe. One of the most stable cars that I have in the history, in my own history of playing Tamiya Mini Forward Drive. Arguably, isa sa mga pinaka-stable ko talaga yung Big Spider. And unfortunately for Polaris, another Team Home eliminated. Another member of Team Home eliminated with a victory by Venom. Moving on to the semifinals round once again. So pagkakataon na naman ni Venom na dagdagan ang kanyang kalamangan. So at least 9 points ang kanyang tapos ngayong gabi. By the end of this race day tonight, ano na yan? At least 9 points. Na nakapasok ng semis. May pakonsuelo ng 1 point. Peber na. Finally but not the least is our quarterfinals number 4 matchup featuring Neon Sarah, the second seeded car from third seeded car rather from Group B, taking on the second seeded car from Group A, Cosmo Atomica. Yan, A2 versus B3 matchup as our last quarterfinal duel. And in this matchup, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 2, Neon Saras starting this time at lane 1. So, ano na to? Early finals rematch. Ito na po yung finals rematch kasi silang nung nakaraang Merkules, ito po yung finals natin. This time, magkalaban na sila ulit sa quarters agad. Alright. Alright mga kadipat, let's get ready to rumble in this fourth and final quarter final matchup in our KO stage. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Inabol. Ayun, nagulong pa. Aray. Even proportions, maganda to. Finally, Vader, boss na. On to the final lap. KO. Winner. Hindi pa rin nakabawi si Neon Sara kay Cosmo Atomica. So unfortunately for Neon Sara, si back ng maaga dahil tinalo pa rin siya ni Cosmo Atomica sa kanilang rematch from their previous championship race match-up. And it's going to be two Orange Army cars, McLaren and Cosmo Atomica, surviving the onslaught of Team Road, courtesy of the Dark Warriors, Venom, and Setsuna. So yun yung mga magiging match-up po natin. Dalawang team bahay, dalawang team labas. First time na nangyari yun na tigalawang team bahay at team labas. Kasi nung unang apat na karera natin, unang apat na araw ng karera natin, 3-1. Dalawang team road, dalawang team home. Nung team road nung first week, second week, team home naman. Team road nung first week, second week, team road, first week, team home, second week. Ngayong third week, tabla. Tigalawa po. Split. Isang team bahay, isang team labas. Team bahay versus team labas yung ating semifinals matchup. And to start off our semifinals matchup for tonight's race day on DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference, it's going to be McLaren, the top-seeded car from Group A, against the top-seeded car from Group B, Setsuna. So, ang pagbabatayan natin dyan yung record nila sa group stage. So in this case, McLaren is undefeated while Setsuna is splitting its assigned honor with 1 win and 2 draws. Isang panalo, dalawang tabla si Setsuna, si McLaren panalo lahat sa tatlo. Therefore, si McLaren ang lane 1 at si Setsuna ang lane 2 as their respective starting lanes. Yan. Para maliwanag. Pag parehong top-seeded, pareho ng ranking sa kanilang group, ang titingnan po natin dyan yung record. Who has the better record? Whoever has the better record will start at yun ang higher seed. Therefore, kanya yung kung anong designated lane ng higher seed. In this case, lane 1 for McLaren, lane 2 for Setsuna. Alright. Ito rin, Dragon's Breath. Grabe. Talagang seryoso labanan eh, no? Stock motor lang po yan, mga kadipat, ha? Alright, mga kadipat, welcome once again to our knockout stage of DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference this September 18, 2023. Once again, happy birthday to Kuya Bot and to Mama Ros today. And to all who are celebrating their birthday today, September 18, happy birthday po. And we are now in our semifinals race of the KO stage to be started right away with our semifinals number 1, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Ito na ulit. Alright. Waiting for Setsuna. On to the final lap. Let's see. Wow! What a rivalry that was, mga kadipat. Both McLaren and Setsuna rekindling their old rivalry in the past and nung nakaraang simula pa nung nung season latter part ng season 1 ng DPAT's Tamiya League at nung 2021 especially nung Grand Prix season 2 Grand Prix natin, sila yung finalist kasi mga grand finalist nung season 2 Grand Prix natin noong 2021 wherein Setsuna won. And once again, Setsuna proving its might over McLaren once more after rekindling their rivalry tonight in their semi-final duel. So Setsuna will re-enter the championship race for this month of September 2023. Grabe. Grabe yung laban nito. In the meantime, it's now time for our semifinals number 2 featuring Cosmo Atomica, the second seeded car from Group A against the second seeded car from Group B, Venom. So yung mga Dark Warriors pala ang tas Orange Army ang top of the group. Grabe What a coincidence, mga top seeded ng magkabilang grupo. Ang matindi doon, parehong top seed yung semis 1, parehong second seed naman yung semis 2. But, of course, yung team home ulit ang may better record. Therefore, Cosmo 2-1, si Venom kasi 1-1-1. Split. 1 win, 1 loss, 1 draw. Therefore, si Cosmo ang lane 2, Venom lane 1. So, yun. So, yun yung this time lane 1 na, si Venom naman ang lane 1. Kanina si McLaurin ang lane 1. Team home. O ngayon, team road naman ang lane 1. So, in this semifinals number 2, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 2, Venom at lane 1. Dragon Spray. Dragon Spray talaga eh. Alright mga kadipat, let's get ready to rumble here in this semifinals number 2. Switch on! Sila rin pala yung finalist pala nung nakaraang Ready, set, let's go kay Bobby Palaker. Venom at saka Tony. Ayun, nakulumi. Oh, good. Last game na dyan. Final lap. There was no denying Cosmo Atomica that fit once again for the championship, for another championship this month. And Cosmos Atomica returning to the championship round once again for the opportunity to beat Setsuna in our championship race tonight. Ibang klase. Again, another kind of rivalry between Setsuna and Cosmo Sonic again. Pero this time, Cosmo Atomica na talaga. Since season 2. Okay. Maganda rin yung mga rivalry ng dalawang yan eh. Actually. Alright. Race for third na tayo right away. Battle of Let's Go Billings. The Bracken Gigant McLaurin taking on the Big Spider Venom. So A2, A1 versus B2 ang mangyayari sa ating A1 versus B2. Yung isa naman, B1 versus A2. Yun ang mangyayari sa championship race ngayong gabi. Sa race for third naman, A1 versus B2. So in this matchup, McLaurin starting at lane 1, Venom at lane 2. Ayun, tama. Top seed si McLaurin eh. Si Venom, second seed lang. Therefore, lane 1 si McLaurin, lane 2 si Venom. Alright. Alright mga kadipat, without further ado, it's now time for our race for third for our September 18, 2023 edition of DPAD's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. First to 6 laps, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Then I'm ahead. McLaurin trying to catch up. Venom retaining the lead. Finally, Danger Venom. Let's see if at the final lap, if Venom can hold on to the lead. Wow! Ay, sayang. Nasa ito pa si McLaurin. Siguro. Pauwi na nga lang, nasa ito pa. Aray. And it's going to be Venom emerging victorious in that race for third over McLaurin. So Venom with +2 on aggregate, +1 on aggregate for McLaurin, making it a total of how many for McLaurin? 4 points. Venom has 10. So at the moment, tabla sila ni Cosmo Atomica. Pero yung si Cosmo Atomica, minimum niyan 3. So 13 or 14 yung tapos niya ngayong gabi. 13 or 14 yung magiging tapos ni magiging tapos ni Cosmo Atomica tonight. Alright, championship race to culminate our festivities this Monday evening here on DPAD's Premier League Stock Motor Conference as we feature Setsuna, the top-seeded car from Group B, taking on the second-seeded car from Group A, Cosmo Atomica, in our championship race for tonight's edition of GTL SMC this September 2023. And in this matchup, it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 2 and Cosmo Atomica will start at lane 1. Alright. Alright mga kalipat, let's brace ourselves now for our championship race for tonight's DPAD's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference Edition this Manic Monday of September 18, 2023. First to 6, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Final maintainer, munti pang humampak doon. Final lap. Okay, cleaner. Buti na lang, walang re-race sa semis saka final. Nung quarters, unang dalawang quarters matchup, re-race. Plus man pa. And we have a new champion in Setsuna regaining its lost glory once again after winning tonight's edition of DPAD's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference, nosing out Cosmo Atomica in our championship race tonight. So this will culminate the festivities right here with our podium finishers for tonight's edition of DPAD's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. Alright, grabe to. Grabe yung matchup na yun. At what time tayo matatapos? 6:20. O, sabi sir, before 6:30, tapos to eh. Sabi ko sa inyo eh. Okay. Yan. Ay, ako. Pati na lang, madali lang ilipat. Nakastand lang po yung inyong lingkod kasi. No? Teka, sino yung mga na-X? MP, Neon Sara, Polaris Magmar. Yon, split. Check, check. Alright, final results na po tayo. Let's make it official. Here are the podium finishers for tonight's race day on DPAD's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. Let's start off with Setsuna being our new champion for tonight's race day. Second time this month of September 2023. And Setsuna will garner a total of 11, if I'm not mistaken. 11, yes, 11 points for Setsuna after winning the championship tonight. And Cosmo Atomica still in command on aggregate scoring with a total of 13 points after winning the second place finish tonight. Yan, so still in command pa rin pagdating sa puntusan ngayong buwan ng September 2023. Laki na pa rin ang lamang nila against Setsuna and Venom. On the other end, Venom adding 2 points on aggregate, making it a total of 10 points for after tonight's edition. So, with third place, so si Setsuna na ngayon yung pangalawa, solo third ngayon si Venom. And finally but not the least, McLaren adding 1 point on aggregate after finishing fourth. So, ayan po yung mga podium finishers po natin. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. So these are the podium finishers that will culminate our festivities for tonight's edition of DPAD's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference this September 18, 2023. And once again, this has been yours truly, Don Patrick D. Pat Aguilar, signing off for now. And thank you so much to all who watched and whoever will watch on my video log every Monday and Wednesday live at 5 p.m. onwards dito sa aking DPAD's Laboratory. Right on that track layout na meron tayo ngayong buwan ng September 2023. And once again, I remind everyone to stay safe and healthy. Avoid negative vices, especially drugs and all other negativities around you, and protect yourselves from all those negativities at all times and at all costs. As always, mga kadipa, to God be all the glory and honor. God bless to all of us. God bless our beloved Maharlika Nation, and God bless the entire world and all of us Filipinos across the globe. Yan. Once again po, mahalin po natin ang Pilipinas at sama-sama po tayong bumangon muli at ipakita at ipagmalaki sa buong mundong tayo ay Pilipino. Isigaw na malakas ang ating panalo. Taos puso, taas noo. Kahit kanino. And once again, this has been another presentation of another exciting edition of DPAT's Tamiya League's Top Motor Conference, and with only 3 races left this month of September 2023 on the track layout, painit na po ng painit yung puntusan sa aggregate scoring. So let's see who will come out of top at the end of this month as we go along with our last 3 editions of DPAT's Tamiya League's Top Motor Conference, going to our next layout on October 2023, hopefully. Yan. So once again mga ka-DPAT, this has been Don Patrick DPAT Aguilar, leaving you a pleasant Monday evening to all of you. And as always mga ka-DPAT, God bless always. Shukran.